Hi, who is for MBA? Are you right candidate to do an MBA? Have you ever asked this kind of question? Are you right candidate to do MBA? This is the question, try to watch this video. What you learn in this video? Yes, where is already you know. You need to check whether you are a right candidate to do MBA and what are the right qualities to enter into an MBA program. This is not a 100% thing, but you need to check this. Just these are the general estimates, general qualities to become successful in an MBA program. What are they? Why MBA? Do you think you are a leader or manager? Even though you might have not entered into MBA, you might have not completed your MBA, but if you think you are a leader, you are a manager, yes, you are already on right track. Do you dream to make an impact in the society? This is very important. Impact. Have you ever think to create an impact in the society? If you see Bill Gates, if you see Steve Jobs, if you see Anil Ambani, like that, you will come. They had an impact in the society, not just in their lives, not just things. If you want to create that kind of impact, yes, you are right candidate for MBA. And what are other things? Do you have clear goals in your life? Do you have clear goals? Have you ever thought, I want to do this, I want to do that? Means you are having clear goals and how to achieve those goals. Do you have a plan? Have a plan to achieve your big goals? Have you ever put those goals on the paper? And how to achieve this, and what are the steps involved, and when you want time, money, resources, all the things, at least have you ever given a thought about them? Then what are the opportunity creators? Do you think you want to create opportunities instead of working somewhere? Do you think you will create opportunities? If you think so, then definitely MBA is for you. And other things is, are you stubborn to achieve your goals? Yes, you are having goals, but there are enough number of disappointments, enough number of pulling backs in your life to achieve your goals. But still, you need to be stubborn to achieve your goals. You need to be stubborn to achieve your goals. That is the most important trait, quality. And the other thing is, do you have a clear point of view on major issues? Point of view. You need not be quiet. You need to think. What about national issues? What about international issues? You don't need to have a clear point of view on smaller issues, but at least national and international level issues, at state level issues, try to have some point of view. Then that is one good quality. It may not be required, but do you live differently from others? Because already you want to create opportunities, you are having clear goals, you want to change the society to some extent, then definitely you have to live differently from others. You should not live like a normal guy. Then you can do MBA, but definitely you can't get much from the MBA. You need to live, you need to work, you need to do differently from others. That is the most important quality of MBA guy. And of course this may not be required, but do you read books? Are you really interested in learning and getting data, reality, especially biographies of great achievers in the business? This is very important. You need to be interested. You need to be interested in learning the great achievers, at least in the business, or at least in the people who impacted the country level, national level people. For example, if you are Indian, at least whether you are interested or not, that is a different case. But you need to know, you need to study the biography of Gandhi. You need to know what that guy is, how he lived. He was lived. Like this, you need to read the books about business, about society, about great people, about life, like inventors, like based on your interest. These are just general category. Go out and Google out what kind of books you want to read. Then definitely you are having one good trait to do an MBA. Do you like watch business news? It looks very simple, but many people won't think about it. But if you never watch a business news, but still you want to enter into business, how? So definitely think about it. You have to watch business, because you will get a lot of questions in interviews, especially in the beginning itself. Before entering into MBA, when you want to enter into MBA, you need to attend interviews and you need to write exams. Definitely there they'll ask a lot of questions from business itself, about companies, about stock market and all those things. You need to know current affairs of business. So you need to watch the business news. If you are having this kind of traits, if the answer is yes, you are on right track. If your answer is yes, I watch business news, I read books, I want to create opportunities, I want to work differently from others, I want to have an impact on the society, I'm stubborn in my goals, I have plans to achieve my goals, I'm very clear about my life, then you are on 100% right track. But don't disappoint if you don't have the answers. The next thing is, if your answer is no, still you can do MBA. Yeah, this is the great thing. Still you can do MBA, but make it clear. This is very, very important, man. If you don't know about those traits, if you don't have clarity about our life, but still want to do MBA, you can do. But make it clear now, at least now, why you want to pursue MBA course, why you want to pursue, why you want to work hard to achieve MBA, crack MBA and enter into big business schools. What is the purpose before writing the entrance exam? Think twice, not once, twice, why you want to do an MBA if you don't have those qualities. Because you can develop. Once if you think, you can develop those qualities. Try to understand this video, why you want to do an MBA, and all the best in your MBA career. See you in the next video.